Good job.
Look, I want that red piece. Here's it.
Woo! To the tree. You're just gonna pull them apart, okay?
Wow, no. Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
I need to shake this. Not really sure what color I want to paint this, but I do know I want it to be a navy blue to match my curtains, and I definitely want to go ahead and get this painted now before the holidays is over. Okay, your daddy has a hot dog. Go get the hot dog from your daddy. Before I begin, I'm gonna go ahead and shake, 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 shake. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. Okay, this is the other color. I think I'm gonna like that one better. They both look the same though, don't they? One is just a tad bit lighter. This one gives royal blue. This one gives more like a navy blue, so I don't really know.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
What happened?
What happened? Mommy is trying to figure out the wall. What color she wants. No, I don't need that. I think I want to roll with this color. What do y'all think? Let me show y'all. Hold on. So what I'm trying to do is actually match it to the...
Mommy, wake up.
What? Match it to that. Okay, give me 1 second. Trying to match it to that color. So now I'm about to go out to Home Depot and pick up this color, come back and paint this wall, and I'll be back.
Hey. There's something I can wear that might get me necked up in the car.
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Got it, own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it.
Just straight?
So why you like
Yeah, I
that?
like that.
What's that?
I think you should say that for another
Stop,
day.
stop.
Channel had this for 5, 6,
Wear that like if you go to Miami or something.
You know,
I know, so you should wear that like if
Nobody
you
gonna
go
see
to
me today.
Miami.
I can wear this again. Who the fuck gonna see me today?
Yeah, I like that better.
You know, I had this like the whole time we've been dating.
You got it from Rothstein.
Yeah, for like 19 months.
Alright, is this smooth enough?
Guess how much they sell for now because of these.
Probably $100. This straight now.
Yeah. What's up, big dog? What's going on? You gonna help me paint? When I get back, I'll paint that in about 10 minutes. I can't paint that wall in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but you got to let it dry and come back.
Yeah, but I can paint that wall in 10 minutes. Y'all.
So I am about to get started with this office, paint this back wall. I finally went and got the paint, girl, so we're about to get to it. And I think that's gonna pretty much finish up this room. I honestly, hold on, let me lift this up a little bit, y'all. Hold on. And then I'll start working on the dining room because I really feel like that should tie in with this. And right now it's not tying in. So I need to find some other type of floral arrangement or something that will look better with this, because this just ain't doing it. So yeah, yeah, my tree looks so pretty.
Check up on it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it.
Okay, and here is the finished product. I love this color and this wall, and it matches my curtains perfectly. And Travis did have to do like the rest of the cutting on this wall, like as far as the ceiling and the edges. So now it is time to hang these beautiful pictures that I got from at home, and I'm going to be hanging them by myself. But I want to share with you guys a TikTok hack that I saw, which is super easy to hang pictures, because I'm not one of the ones that can hang a picture perfectly and, you know, not have a whole bunch of holes in the wall. So I felt like this would be a great hack to share with you guys for something that I found on TikTok, from something I found on TikTok. So basically what you do is you take painter's tape and you go straight across from hook to hook, and you want your hook to be going upward because you're going to be marking that area. So also when you're using this painter's tape, you want to make sure the tape is going across the picture as straight as possible. And here what I'm doing is taking a pen and just simply marking where the hooks are and where I want my nail to be, which is basically in the middle of the hook. So I'm going to be using my cute little pink hand drill today for today's project. The link will be below. It's from Amazon, FYI. It's so cute, ain't it? So before I actually do the install, I want to place the picture on the wall and make sure it's in the proper place. And I pretty much want it to line up with the other picture frame. And also you are going to need nails or screws, whatever you're going to use to secure the picture frame. So here I'm just making sure everything is even, and also making sure I take measurements just to make sure spacing and height and everything is even. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I was trying my best not to ask Travis for any help with this particular project because I mean, he wasn't gonna help me. So he normally hangs everything, but he just said, I'm not gonna do it, you can figure it out this time. So I did. Now I'm not even gonna lie, it was a struggle trying to make sure this picture frame was even. So I took some packaging slips and taped them to the wall just to make sure my measurements was correct and the picture frame was even compared to the other. So girl, I rigged it up and it worked. So yeah. Now, after making sure everything is even, I'm taking a pen and placing a mark right beside that blue painter's tape. I'm going to take it down, and then I am going to take the tape off the back of the picture frame and place it directly on the wall where the marking is. Super easy, y'all, but just follow me. Okay, so now I'm going to place the tape on the wall, and keep in mind it's important for your tape to be as straight as possible, given that your picture frame is using this as a guide. So once I have the tape on the wall, I am going to go in with a nail and place that nail directly on the black hole that I put on the tape when it was on the picture frame. And here I'm noticing that the tape isn't as even as it could be, so I'm going to go back in and make it even. And so next what I'm going to do is take my drill and place my drill directly where those two black dots are that I put on the tape prior when it was on the actual picture frame. Now I'm not going deep with this hole, but just enough so that I can place a nail or a screw in the area, and then I can take a screwdriver just to secure it in the wall.
Check up on it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check.
And now that I have these screws on the wall, I am simply going to place the hooks on the back of the picture frame directly onto the screws, and voila, you have perfectly installed and even picture frames. Thanks to TikTok for this quick little hack. Definitely try it.
Flown it, oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it.